Hi, this is an introduction video. I'm here introducing myself to you guys, and I'm trying to clarify why you guys should take my classes and what kind of value they can add to your career. So, this is me. I'm wearing my Besides Cleveland 2019 t shirt with pride. This is my hacker handle. I don't normally care about that, it's just a joke. But people know me by this name. I have almost 2 year experience as a penetration tester, and I was a SOC analyst with Dave Kennedy. I also have a multi-year experience in general IT as sysadmin and desktop support. So I've seen quite a little bit of everything in my career. I've been around the block. I've seen all kinds of configurations and systems and weird situations and shit you can possibly imagine. And I'm seeing way more now that I'm working as a penetration tester, to be honest. So I define myself as an Italian born, American educated hacker, meaning that I started moving from general IT to information security here in the US. I studied for it. I achieved two associate's degrees and two certifications, and I started working in this industry here in the US. I never dealt with it in Italy. In Italy, I work for the government. I consider myself on a mission to make web applications more secure. Here's my social media. And I recently could achieve kind of like a dream because I co-presented a workshop at DEF CON 27 this year with my company. So this is something I'm very proud. I created a virtual machine that was used for the Capture the Flag competition. So this is a little bit quite in short my story of how I became interested in information security and how I got there pretty much. This is a very brief extract of years of my life sacrifices and hard work and study. So why should you guys take this class? Well, you know that cybersecurity, especially penetration testing, is a booming industry right now. There's a zero unemployment rate. Now, with that being said, the big problem you have here is how to enter this industry. Once you're in, you don't have any problems finding a job, but there are conditions and regulations that create more and more work for penetration testers, especially regulations such as PCI and HIPAA that impose organizations to perform regularly penetration tests. So you want to be definitely in this industry right now. So why you should take this class? You can learn sought after skills in your target industry by taking all free and paid classes you can. I'm not saying here take my class only. There's a bunch of valuable free and paid classes you can take out there. I would warmly recommend, for example, Georgia Whiteman's Advanced Penetration Testing class on Cybery, for example. So I'm not saying necessarily take my class, but up your game and try to improve your skills in order to be more hireable and marketable. Keep in mind that nobody's perfect and nobody knows everything in information security, even because things change constantly. The only constant in information security is change. So the big deal and the big hurdle you face when you want to break into this industry is kind of a chicken and egg dilemma. Companies aren't normally willing to take a chance on you, even if you have certifications sometimes. And they want you to have former experience for you to get hired in this industry. And the problem is that they're right. Experience is gold in penetration testing because you can easily make a bunch of mistakes and overlook vulnerabilities that can otherwise be exploited by bad guys. And you don't want to be in that situation, believe me. So, here are some tips I give you that can help you break into this industry other than my class. I'm trying here to add value for you guys. I hope you guys appreciate this. The best advice I can give you is network in person, not impersonally online like on LinkedIn. Yes, that can be helpful, but try to meet up with people, talk to them, and understand their point of view. For example, if you meet up with the hiring manager, regardless if it's for a work interview or not, try to understand their points of view, what they look for in a valuable candidate, and what you can do better to get more marketable and be more appealing to them. It's all a matter of trying to understand what they want and give them what they want. So, my classes are very hands on. I don't like normally to deal too much with theory, even though a little bit of theory, especially networking protocols, are paramount. But what I recommend to learn hacking and penetration testing is create a virtual lab. Here you see mine, or at least part of mine. And what I did over 4 or 5 years before I started working as a penetration tester was to create a virtual lab with a bunch of vulnerable virtual machines, mostly Windows and Linux, and try to practice attacks and exploits on this virtual machine setup without incurring illegal issues, because nowadays you can easily practice and test your hacking skills without getting into any legal troubles by using a virtual lab like this. Here's part of my Twitter feed. Twitter is what I mostly recommend to keep up with the latest news and latest updates in cybersecurity, but also to network with important people in the industry. And that's about it. If you guys have questions, I left you my contact information and my social media so you can reach out to me, and I'll be glad to give you any additional information you want. I hope to see you as a student, but even if you guys choose not to, I hope this video can help you out and add value to your career, and I hope you guys can start a career as penetration testers pretty soon. So, hope to see you around, guys. Have a good one.